Baby girl, just open your mouth and say no. I said no. Put your mask right back on.
What's up, my loves? It's your girl CiCi, back at it with another video. So I'm outside of a grocery store and I had this wonderful idea popping up in my head and I wanted to share with you. A lot of times we have trouble saying no. And I just watched a video by this wonderful, beautiful angel chick right here on YouTube. I will link her YouTube channel below. She has such a beautiful soul. She's so sensitive and gentle and just pure. You know those people? We all need them in our lives. So she was touching on the topic of the power of no. How it's important to be able to put your foot down, girl, and say no. When somebody says, hey, can you do me this favor? Can you spare me this amount of money? Can you do my hair for free? Can you spot me for the 5th time? But I ain't gotta pay you back, because we cool, right? Say no. Say no. I don't have time. I don't have the money, or I don't have the money to spare. We don't like to ruffle the feathers. We don't like to make people feel uncomfortable. If you're a very empathetic person, very generous person, very sensitive person, it is very likely that you have trouble saying no. However, there is so much power in saying no, no, no. Learn your power, girl. Grab your power, take it and go. Take your power and go. This is what happens when you don't say no. When you don't say no, you say yes. And then after that, you're resentful. After that, you feel bad. You regret. And regret is it sucks. Regret is like one of the worst feelings. Okay, people need to stop staring at me. Yes, I'm talking to myself, but hey, there's somebody else on the other side. Don't judge me. There's a quote that says, have the courage of your convictions, the courage to say no when you feel convicted to do it. You know, when you feel like something is wrong, or you're just like, I really don't want to say yes, but I want to say no because I don't want to hurt their feelings. Say no. Come here. I'll give you a trick, okay? Make them laugh. When you use humor, it is so much easier to say no. You break down the walls of discomfort and you just enter their hearts. Hell no, I'm not doing that for you. What you think this is? What you think this is, a charity? Then after you quickly recompose yourself and you say, nah, girl, I'm kidding, but I'm not. Like, I really can't. I'm sorry. I love you. The ability to say no is a sign of confidence. Master your power of saying no. And believe me, girl, you will be the most confident you've ever been. Coming from me. That's it. Let me go out there and get my groceries. Stay safe. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Love you. Stand tall in life and in love. Oh, did I have that in my eye the whole time?